Right. Now you can see yesterday classes web elements. Web elements are drop downs and radio buttons and linked texts and ellipses and banners, titles. So these are all comes under web elements. Okay. So no locators are available to identify the objects. We go with the X path. Okay. Yesterday class we can see this. Okay, locators. So using locator we can find the web element uniquely on the web page. Okay. So locators are used for find the web element. Okay. So locators are used to identify the objects, not only identifying, it is uniquely identifying the objects. Okay, uniquely identifying purpose. So identify the element uniquely on the web page. Okay. So why we need the first element? This is an interview question. So there are a number of web elements, and we need to find out exactly okay, exact web element on which we can perform the action. So these are the Selenium WebDriver locators and ID, name, linked list, partial linked list, and tag name, class name, XPath, and selectors. Okay. So the now we can see. So locators also can be divided in two types. Okay. First one is direct locators. Next one is customized locators. Okay. So these 8 locators. So 6 are comes under the direct locators. Okay. So remaining 2 are comes under the customized locators. Okay. So web elements are contains the so web elements nothing but a page or form elements. Okay. This is web elements. The web elements are okay web elements. So web elements are nothing but a page or form elements. So what is the page or form elements? It is a fields and the links and image links. Okay. Now here student is identified one example. Okay. Student identify calling by name. Okay. So each student has a separate unique key name that is identified calling as a name. Okay. Automation testers identify the web element using for locator. Okay. Automation testers are identify the web element using for locator, and automation tester can perform some action in that web element. Okay. To perform some actions in real time. Okay. Locator can perform the actions in real time. So okay, automation tester can perform some action in that web element to perform. Okay. So example Facebook page. Okay. You need to see the Facebook page, and here I can close this. Actually here, okay. This is Facebook page. Okay. Create one Facebook page. Select this. Okay. This is one Facebook page. Okay. Here, create new account button is also there. Okay. Create new account button and right click on this. Okay, and click on inspect. Okay. You need to perform an action. Create new account button and click on inspect. So see this. Here, okay. This is the anchor tag. Some here red color values are there. Role, class, href, and okay, AJXify and data test ID. So is okay. These are all comes under property names. Okay, these are all comes under property names. So red color values are property names, and blue color values are property. Okay, property value and attribute value. Okay, these are comes under the property name and attribute name. Okay, red color values are comes under the property name and attribute name, and blue color values are comes under the property value and attribute value. Okay, property is name. Okay, so like is property is name, like it is role. Okay, the role is the property, and the button is okay, button is the value. Okay, each property name contains property value. Property name contains property value. Property name contains property value. Okay. How to identify the object? By using property name and property value to identify the object. Okay. So question is how to identify the object by using property name and the button is the property value to identify the object. Okay. So here one create one account like a Facebook account. The first name is there and password. Okay. You can click on this. Okay. Create one account. You click on this. Here you can see manually. So first name and surname. Okay. So you need to get the data. Click on the right click on this first name. Okay. text field and click inspect. Okay, you need this text. Okay, input type. Okay, type is property name. Okay, text is property value. Class is property name. Input is okay. Input text is property value. Like data type is property name. Text is property value. Name is property name. First name is the property value. And here it is a tag. Input is a tag, and these all are in red color. So the property names, property values are shown okay, always in double quotes. Here you can see property values are always shown the double quotes only, double quotes only. Okay, first identify the object, then perform the actions. Okay, first you can identify the object, then you can perform the actions. Otherwise, Selenium throws the error message. Okay, first you need to perform the action and then performs. Otherwise, Selenium shows the error message. You need to give instruction to the Selenium. Selenium performs the actions. Okay, first you need to give the instruction to the Selenium and then Selenium performs the actions. Okay, now you can see the locator concept. Here two types of locators: one direct locators and customized locators. Okay, directly locators means here it is a one DOM. Okay, like inspect is a DOM. Okay, DOM means document object model. Okay, XPath locator is not in that DOM, and if you want to DOM, you can prepare the XPath element and XPath element, and okay, here you can see. So get from the HTML document, okay, DOM. DOM means object model, okay, document object model. It is the customized locators are XPath and CSS selector. So we need to create directly. We can't get from the HTML, okay. These XPath and CSS selectors are not available in the DOM, okay. Now we can create own by the automation testers. Okay, we need to create directly. We can't get from the HTML. If you saw inspect in anywhere, okay, if you saw inspect in anywhere, anchor tag, that is the anchor tag is used for two locators like linked list and a partial linked list. So you can see this. Actually here in that browser, anchor tag is there. Okay, a tag a. Like wait, you see this test. Inspect. Click on this. Okay, inspect. Click on this. Some anchor tag will be displayed. A button. So create button, you can get the anchor tag and close this and create button. You can okay anchor tag. This anchor tag is okay. This means link. Anchor means link. Here there are two types of locators like a linked test and a partial linked test comes under the button. Button for linked test and partial linked test. Okay. First preference give to the linked test and second preference give to the partial linked list. The partial linked test. Okay. First preference. Okay. Link to the give to the linked test and second preference we will go to give the partial linked test. Okay, first name in is test web. It is like test web element, and you can create the button, and it is the first name. It is okay. Test box web element. It is test box web element. This is also test box web element, and the class name ID. Those are locators. Okay, name is the first name. Double click on this and copy it and paste in the Eclipse down. Okay, so button also click. Button ki మనం ఏం యూస్ చేస్తాం క్లిక్ యూస్ చేస్తాం. We can use the button for click and text box for send keys. So now we can write one simple code. Okay, now we can write simple code. See this. So our project close this. Okay, okay, now create open our project is project number 4. Okay, right click on the July month and click on class name is okay, location one, locator one. Okay, locator one, and click on the checkbox public static void main string args and click finish. So here we can import the web driver and Chrome driver files. Okay, where is this? Like this is the web driver. Now we can import here. Okay, can import here. And also I can import Chrome driver. Okay, Chrome dot Chrome driver. Okay, now we can type the can create object web driver equal to driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, new Chrome driver. Next, we can get the okay. We can launch the page. Launch means driver dot get. So which page we will be launched? Okay, here Facebook page back. Okay, facebook.com copy and paste it here. Okay, next. So we can expand the Facebook window also. Now we can get a driver dot manage. Okay, manage dot window. Expand చేస్తాం window dot maximize driver dot window dot driver dot manage dot window dot maximize DMWM. Okay, driver manage window maximize. Okay, we can maximize for window. Next, click on create an account button. Here driver dot find element by so link test. Link test we can create new account. The workboards close dot click on it. So give the first name driver dot find elements by okay name is string. String like open this inspect the here name or this is first name. Okay, inspect on this first name field and we copy the name, double click first name. Okay, paste here first name. So first name, send keys. Send keys my name. Purna close with semicolon. Okay. Next give the last name. Driver dot find. Okay. Find elements. Sorry, by dot name. Also here name. Can close this inspect and again open surname inspect. It shows last name like okay. I can select this last name and paste here and with semicolon. Okay. Dot send keys. Then okay. Next we can select the drive button. Okay. Driver dot find elements. Find the elements. By dot class name. Okay. See here example. Click on this. Okay. Inspect. So here female field shows There is the female field. Close this. Okay, right click on inspect. Like here label will be shows. So it shows some value. Then select male. Male select inspect. Shows also value. Is the button. It is available in a button or a button like click on this. So the inspect will be opened here if you click this. Okay. So wait. Can give one Facebook login, create. Okay. Click on female and right click and inspect. Again, it shows wrong here. Okay, I already run my page. First one. Wait, we'll get in from the that locator. Okay, register email. Okay, Control C, and we can paste here. And with dot last name dot click. Sorry. Okay, here we can take name here also. Sorry. Click window button, class name. Like paste weight. So it can't use here last name and register email, register password, phone number, and okay. So now we can see phone number field. Okay. So leave that female field. Actually, that shows 8SE something class name, but here it is not working. Spec page source also. Actually, there are A button A is available there. Body, intense. Okay, leave this and select one. Inspect. Dash name. Mobile number field inspect with the register email. Control C. You can send their names also. Name field by dot name. Okay. Here we can give one string control V. Control V dot send keys. send keys. I will give phone number 89705848 and with the quotations. And next driver dot find element by last one also test field by name. Give that name. Close this password field and inspect this. Name selector. What is the name register password? Okay, I will select this. Give in between the quotes dot send keys. So my password is 79. Or like you can give something number 9848022338 9848022338. So 22 8480 2213 is there. Okay, and with the quotations. Okay. So this is the program. Now we can run and check this. Okay, what will happen here? See this. One browser will be opened and Facebook page, and after Facebook we maximize and click. Okay, and output will be come here. Okay, it's a very fast one. Yes. Now actually tool is running fastly and application is running very slowly here. If tool is failed to identify any object and it throws no such element option. Okay, option. Male and female class names are same. That's why it's identifying the first element. Okay. So selection field actually field here also working, but can give like driver dot elements. Okay. Like see this, what will happen here. Okay. Actually previously it is working, but here not working. Why? I don't know. So select this and run it. So you get the one exception error. Okay, browser window, Facebook login, and Facebook create and a corner chain. Okay, but click is also possible. You can write the thread dot slip. Okay, instead of the phone number field, I will change the identity to name, and the phone number is identified now. Okay, here ID is not working. That's why I'm going to create another locator. Tag name is identifying the group of object. Okay, so now we can check the partial linked list programs. Uh, Examples also there, partial linked list. Series provide the partial test value and such a subset of the actual linked test. Note, always prefer linked test. Okay, because partial linked test means provide a partial test value that particular part match with some other linked test value. Okay, so create a new account. It is the test. Okay, in partial linked test, only new account, that is the test. Because the difference between linked test and partial linked test. Okay, note is always prefer, but I need to find the second element, but WebDriver is identify the first element in the web page. In this case partial linked test is not working. Okay, so you can use partial linked test also. So here you can type partial linked test. Okay, please type here partial linked text. I linked means L capital. Okay, it shows error. Why change to partial link test? Sorry, this is the link test, not linked. Okay, say this. Now we can use the clear method. How it will be works, we can check this. Okay, clear method means first one, each one మనం ఏదైతే ఫీల్డ్స్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తామో, ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ టైం ఫీల్డ్, సో దాన్ని మనం క్లియర్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అంటే మనం క్రియేట్ చేయడం అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వెంటనే అది క్లియర్. ఓకే, డాట్ clear method, you can see this. Next one, buttons here not working. So that's why you can give in the comments. Okay, first name I can give. Next last name. Okay, select this last name, and it is also dot clear. Okay, give clear. Clear method is working or not. Next, driver dot register email ID. Okay, we can give clear. Sorry, dot clear. Okay. Next, driver dot find elements dot proceed. You can also give here dot clear. Okay. So see what is the output. Save file and previously opened pages are closed. This is also closed. Okay. Next run it. What will happen? Okay. First browser will be launched and after that in that Facebook page launched, maximize window launched and create new account name. So within seconds it will be okay created and deleted within seconds. So now we can give here use okay in between thread dot sleep. Okay, thread dot sleep duration. So you can give here a fixed time. Okay, there is no import files here and add throws exception. Okay, will be added and now it will be given in between the first name and the last name. Okay, clear. Okay, క్లియర్ కెను నార్మల్గా ఫస్ట్ టైం క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత క్లియర్ దానికి రెండింటి మధ్యలో స్పేస్ కొంచెం కావాలి టైం లిమిట్ కావాలి అందుకు సో థ్రెడ్ డాట్ స్లిప్ క్రియేటెడ్ ఫర్ పర్టికులర్ టైం ఓకే ఫిక్సింగ్ పర్టికులర్ టైం నౌ రిజిస్టర్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి ఐ విల్ గివ్ పర్టికులర్ టైం నెక్స్ట్ రిజిస్టర్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ పర్టికులర్ టైం నౌ యూ కెన్ సీ ద అవుట్పుట్. So page opened and maximize window. First give Purnana name. Okay. After that it will be cleared. Next Chen give. It will be cleared. Okay. Time taken. Next number also taken. It is also cleared. Okay. Next password taken. Password also cleared. Okay. There is no error. So our program is running correctly. Okay. You can practice this. Okay. Thank you all.